This is my PRK 2010 bike check. I got the Animal Edwin de la Rosa grips on this, and the Kink Links bars, 2-piece ones. And I got the Shadow Strike stem. I got the Fit Shiv fork, really good, really light. I got the Alienation PBR rim, which is purple, and the Fit Stock peg, front one. I got the Fit Embossed seat, it's a stock. I got the RC Twisted PC pedal. I got the Fit 25T download sprocket. And yeah, this bike is pretty good, pretty awesome ride. Ask me anything, would like to know your questions.